Is it difficult to make industrial ceramics are not made today? Can do it tomorrow. How much do you know about the process of making industrial ceramics? The first is powder molding, in embryo processing after molding, and high temperature sintering, and finally machining. Can be inspected and shipped after process. These 5 processes cannot be missed. Therefore, the masters of it specialize in the processes they are product. You must first make some kind. Then put the powder into the rubber sleeve mold for PR. If it involves products that require, we also need to process on green to reduce the margin of after the green embryo is processed, it can be sintered at more than 1000 degrees, and the process from warming up to cooling down will last 7 minutes. So that's why industry. The reason why the delivery time of ceramic, the product of moldo after injection molding, is also a process of high days. The material is sintered at high temperature, it will produce. The surface is also uneven. Passing by, the engineer evaluates the material's production process. Flat film processing, coreless film processing, punch machining, CNT process. After these processes are processed, inspection of some tolerance required to meet the quality requirement. Finally, it's packaged and shipped. So do you think industrial ceramics are difficult to make?
Visit our official website above to know more now.